You should get some rest.
You should get some rest.
You should study for your exam.
You should study for your exam.
You should try this new restaurant.
You should try this new restaurant.
You should apologize to her.
You should apologize to her.
You should exercise regularly.
You should exercise regularly.
You should read this book.
You should read this book.
You should save money for the future.
You should save money for the future.
You should call your parents more often.
You should call your parents more often.
You should learn a new language.
You should learn a new language.
You should wear a jacket. It's cold outside.
You should wear a jacket. It's cold outside.
You should check your email.
You should check your email.
You should be careful when crossing the street.
You should be careful when crossing the street.
You should take a break.
You should take a break.
You should visit Myanmar someday.
You should visit Myanmar someday.
You should drink more water.
You should drink more water.